Hello everyone. Now I will explain the concept of industry as defined in the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. So, what is industry? We will see the definition of the industry. Under section 2, subsection J of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 defines the term industry as under. Industry means any business, trade, undertaking, manufacture or calling of employers and includes any calling, service, employment, handicraft or industrial occupation or avocation of workmen. It means that the definition is divided into two parts, such as it means any and what it includes. Okay, it means any business, that is merchant, a trade, that is cutler, an undertaking, that is a gas company, manufacturer, that is flour mill, a calling, that is an engineer of employers. And second part is it includes any calling, service, employment, handicraft, industrial occupation or avocation of workman. In the first part of the definition, the term industry means the activities carried on by the employer, and the meaning of the term industry is confined only to those activities covered by the definition. Any activity which does not fall within the meaning of the term industry should be excluded and therefore should not be held as industries. This of the definition of the term industry, it includes the activities carried on by the employees. This part defines industry from the standpoint of the employees. First one was on the standpoint of employer and the second part is on the standpoint of the employees. The second part is an inclusive part of the definition. These activities of the employees are not carried on in isolation. In other words, there has to be connection with some activity of the employer mentioned in the first part of the definition. Any independent activity on the part of the employees is excluded from the definition of the industry. The definition read as a whole denotes a collective enterprise in which employers and employees are associated. Including most of the undertakings in the ambit of the definition of industry. Still, anything and everything cannot be termed to an industry. In the case of Supreme Court, that is the Justice Hidayatullah in Madras Gymkhana Club Employees Union versus Gymkhana Club, that was the case of 1967. In that case, Supreme Court had observed that an individual who employs a cook means servant of our house who is doing cooking in our kitchen for us, who serves us, that is a cook, gets the service from his employee whose avocation is to serve as a cook, but as the activity of the individual is neither business nor trade nor an undertaking nor manufacture nor calling of an employer, there is no industry here. So what we will see that under this case it was observed that the servant means the cook in this case have no duty other than the cooking. Is it clear? Controversy was set aside in this by the Supreme Court in the case of Bangalore Water Supply versus Rajappa. We will see the leading case, that is Bangalore Water Supplies versus Sewage Board versus Rajappa in the All India Report 1978 year Supreme Court on the page number 548 in the next section.